New game mode. New method from monetization will also emerge as blockchain is used for multiplayer in games such as one social to earn. This method will give players the opportunity to get reward if they success in inviting new players to the game. What's to earn? What's to earn is a new model that records user-only habit on the blockchain and uses this data to achieve advertising revenue. Token may be awarded to users who choose to watch advertisements. Race to earn. Race to earn refers to a new mode of achieving revenue by reselling, live streaming, and broadcast rights, and then reward the community token value appreciation as the game gain popularity and thus fees for those rights increase. Senior managed game PI Hobby NFT Walter Lee said in a written statement, the transition from Web 2.0 to 3.0 will bring various new models in the gaming world. Overall, the transition from Web 2.0 to 3.0 for game application will open up new creative model, he said. Players will be empowered with true ownership of digital asset through blockchain technology or NFT. This is indeed game changing, he concluded.